This bird forgot how to fly, and now it's fighting to survive. Meet the Kakapo, the world's rarest parrot. Found only in New Zealand, this bird is heavy, curious, and completely flightless. For thousands of years, it survived without predators. But when humans arrived, everything changed. Cats, rats, destruction. Its population crashed to the edge of extinction. At one point, only 50 remained. But scientists refused to give up. And slowly, the Kakapo is coming back, because every life matters, even the ones that can't fly. If you felt this, follow for more real stories of animals.